Hi, my name is Kess, and welcome to Kess Watch Lab. Today we are diving into a collaboration that absolutely caught me by surprise. This is the limited edition G-Shock X Coca Cola collaboration. It is a massive crossover between the king of indestructible digital watches and arguably the most recognizable brand on the planet. I've been spending some time with it, and today we're going to find out why this watch is creating so much noise in the collector community. It all starts with the unboxing. When you first see this packaging, with that bold red and white color scheme and the classic branding, it immediately gives you that nostalgic feeling. Honestly, it completely reminds me of Christmas morning. Coca Cola and G-Shock didn't cut any corners here. The custom box and the specialized tin canister inside immediately set the tone that you are holding something truly special. But the real magic happens when you get past the packaging and look at the dial details. The execution on the face of this watch is absolutely incredible. The iconic Coca Cola script is beautifully integrated right into the dial, and it's done perfectly without making the face look messy or cluttered. The color matching is totally flawless, capturing that vibrant, timeless look. And if you dive into all the macro details, you see why this piece is so good. Look at the strap keeper, the custom lettering, and the amazing bottle cap-inspired engraving right on the stainless steel caseback. Every single angle of this watch tells a story. Even the backlight has a hidden silhouette that pops up when you press the button. The attention to detail here is so amazing that I'm just going to say it. I believe the overall execution on this watch is actually better than the legendary Seiko-Pepsi collaboration. While the Seiko-Pepsi is an absolute classic colorway, Casio went completely all out with the actual brand integration here, making it feel like a true, unified collector's piece from top to bottom. But how does it actually feel on the wrist? At the end of the day, it's a G-Shock, meaning it's built like an absolute tank. It retains that classic, indestructible form factor that we love, but the finish on this collab feels incredibly premium. It's lightweight, it's comfortable, and despite the bold colors, it's surprisingly wearable as an everyday statement piece. Whether you're a streetwear enthusiast or a hardcore watch collector, it commands attention on the wrist in the best way possible. So, what's the final verdict here at the lab? For me, this is a masterclass in how to do a brand partnership right. It completely respects the heritage of both names, and the design elements elevate it past a lot of traditional watch releases. In my opinion, this is easily the most exciting collaboration of the year. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more reviews, and let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'll see you next time in the Kess Watch Lab.